Welcome to LibreSV Tech Clips. I'm Jenny, and today we are going to talk about the UrlSand exceptions. One of the functions ESG performs during message delivery is to rewrite links found in the email. You can add exceptions to prevent certain links from being rewritten. Please note, exceptions are based on the link to be rewritten, not the sender or recipient of the message. To insert an exception, you need to go to Content Analysis arrow, right Sandbox Filters arrow right UrlSand, and select the Exceptions tab. Press the new button and enter the domain for which you don't want link rewriting. You can choose whether or not to include subdomains in the exception you're creating. Enter a description and save your work. After saving, remember to click the Apply Pending Changes button to make the changes you just made take effect. Now links belonging to the entered domain will no longer be rewritten.